Today, I want to tell you about a very special and beautiful place in Karnataka, the Badami Caves. These caves are located in a small village called Badami of Bagalkot district. If you love history, art and nature, then you will really enjoy this place. There are 4 main caves in Badami. Each one is unique and has its own beauty. The first cave is dedicated to Lord Shiva. When you go inside, you can see a very beautiful carving of Lord Shiva in Nataraja form, which means he is dancing with 18 arms. It is very artistic and detailed. You can also see many other small carvings of gods and goddesses. These caves were built a long time ago, around the 6th and 7th century. That means they are almost 1400 years old. They were built during the rule of Chalukya dynasty, especially under the king called Pulakeshin I. The second cave is for Lord Vishnu. The Chalukya kings loved art and architecture. They made these caves as temples inside the hills. Here you can see Lord Vishnu in many forms like Trivikrama and also Varaha Avatara, where he saves the earth. The walls and pillars are full of beautiful art and stories from Hindu history. Badami is a small town, but it is very famous because of its amazing rock-cut cave temples. It is surrounded by beautiful red sandstone hills and a calm lake called Agastya Lake. The cave 3 is the largest and most detailed one. It is also dedicated to Lord Vishnu and is really very grand. The Badami caves are not just temples. They are also a symbol of India's rich history, culture and art. The carvings were done by hand using only simple tools. It has big statues and carvings showing Vishnu in different avatars. People say it was built in 578 AD, which makes it very old and important. You will feel like you are walking inside a real ancient palace. If you are a student, traveler or someone who loves ancient places, Badami will give you a lot of inspiration. It shows how people lived then, what they believed in, and how talented our ancestors were. Please make a note. You will see many monkeys here. So be aware, take care of your belongings. There is also a fort on top of the hill. If you like trekking, you can walk up and get a nice view of the whole Badami town. The fourth cave is a bit different. It is a giant cave. Outside the caves, the view is amazing. You can see the Agastya Lake in front of the caves. Inside, you can see carvings of Tirthankaras, especially Mahavira, the 24th Tirthankara. So friends, if you ever get a chance, do visit the Badami Cave Temple. It's a mix of history, religion, nature and architecture, all in one place. So that's it for today guys. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Now let's wrap up. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.